working with exponents. Now, let's look at fraction exponents. When working with a fraction exponent such as 1/2, the fraction means to take the root of the base. The value of the denominator means which root. The value of the numerator tells how many times to multiply the result by itself. What does that mean? Well, let's look at this example. What is the value of 4 to the exponent 1/2? Here are the steps that we need to follow to find the value of 4 to the exponent 1/2. Convert the fraction to its root form. 4 to the 1/2 means the square root of 4 to the exponent 1. Now, with your calculator, the square root of 4 can be found by pressing the second key, the square root key, and then enter 4, press the bracket, then the exponent key, then 1. You will find the square root key here on your calculator. When you're finished, press enter. Let's review that. Press the second square root key and then enter 4, type the bracket, then the exponent key, and then the number 1. When you're done, press enter. And now your calculator should display the following steps. The square root of 4 to the exponent 1 would give you a final answer of 2. Remember, a fraction exponent means root value for the denominator. 8 to the exponent 1/3 would mean the cube root of 8, which of course is 2. Now, let's try a negative fraction exponent. Here is an example. Solve 8 to the exponent negative 1/3. The steps that you follow when solving for 8 to the exponent negative 1/3 are very important. Step number 1, apply the rule for the negative value in the exponent first. So 8 to the negative 1/3 would mean 1/8 to the exponent 1/3. Remember, the steps when solving 8 to the negative 1/3 are very important. Step number 2, apply the fraction exponent next. 8 to the negative 1/3, we already know would be 1/8 to the exponent 1/3, but now we know that 8 to the 1/3 means the cube root of 8 to the exponent 1. And continuing on, the important steps. Number 3, solve the expression. Let's review. 8 to the negative 1/3 means 1/8 to the exponent 1/3, which means 1/, the cube root of 8 to the exponent 1, which results in the answer of 1/2. Remember, the order to use is apply the negative part of the exponent first, apply the fraction part of the exponent second, solve the expression. What happens if you have a zero exponent? If the expression has a zero exponent, the resulting value will always be zero, regardless of the base. For example, 3 to the exponent 0 will be 1. Remember, any base to the exponent 0 is equal to 1. Learn something today. Let's solve some exponential expressions.